Hi, hi, hi guys, how are you? And it's a fantastic evening what I had today. It's a pleasant surprise. It's not a surprise. I can say it's as a surprise, and there is something I want to show you to all actually. So this thing is only because of you guys, only for you, only because of your love, your support, your wishes, whatever the spirit that you have kept in one thing. So there's only for you guys. There's only dedicated for you guys. So what I'll be showing. So this is my first award. What I can say, and here it is. I got the award of emerging fashion icon from IWM Bus, and this award is dedicated to you guys. So I got the award today evening. So after the shoot, I received the award. So that's the thing. So yeah, we are shooting in Kolhapur, so I couldn't go to the physical place there. So they had to parcel me the award. So that's the thing. So this the award what I got. This award is only dedicated to you guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, it's been a quite a it's been a quite a long time that I haven't been like online और लाइव सेशन. सो अगर तुम लोगों के पास कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो मुझे पूछना, तो शायद आई मे ट्राई टू आंसर इट. सो दैट्स द थिंग. या थैंक यू सो मच शशांक. थैंक यू सो मच मृणल. So thank you Anshita. Yeah, like if you have any questions, just let me know because I'll be going for my dinner. I'm getting late for my dinner, so wo hai. I just came back from shoot like around like half an hour back, and that's it. Quite hectic day, but yeah, this work is for me and for you guys, for my audience out there. Yeah, this is a word. Yeah. Thank you, Jafar sir. Thank you so much. We'll be meeting tomorrow on set, and I'll be showing the award tomorrow. Tasbu party. Yeah, I actually got something like Tasbu. I got this pillow. It's in the shape of like it seems to be like a watermelon piece, but it's a pillow. It's nice. Someone gifted me. So here's a card gifted by Abhira 1011. Thank you so much, and gifts for online. Thank you so much for this wonderful, lovely, small, cute gift. Thank you so much. डांस प्रोग्राम या हो रहा है. मेहंदी रचने वाली में डांस प्रोग्राम भी हो रहा है. इट्स अ स्मॉल डांस सीक्वेंस, एंड डेफिनेटली यू गाइस विल बी एंजॉयिंग इट. आई नो दैट. सो अच्छा लगेगा तुम लोगों को. सारी का दुकान किधर है? सारी का दुकान शी इज देयर इन अ रूम आई गेस. You need like Jindal Chauhan. Yeah, hi Jindal Chauhan. I took your name. How do I manage to reply my fans? I just take out time in my tight schedule और कोशिश करता हूँ कि रिप्लाई करें. Thank you so much that I'm looking good in specs. Thank you so much. चश्मा और अरे ओरिजिनल है ये, ओरिजिनल है. Oh, Tamil Nadu fan. Thank you, Golden Prakash. Thank you so much. See, I'll be there for next 2 minutes, I guess, mostly. So then I have to run for my dinner. Specs नहीं दूंगा तुमको, please. ये मेरे specs है, जाके खरीद लो. Sure then. See you guys. Take care. And love you all. Keep supporting me. Keep supporting this show. And please, please, please watch Mehndi Rashnawali on Star Plus 6:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Only on Star Plus. So that's what I can say. And keep supporting us. Keep supporting the actors of Mehndi Rashnawali. Keep supporting the team. And just stay tuned for the updates. See you guys. Take care. Have a lovely night. Bye.